Hello 4th standard, how are you? In last some videos I completed our chapter number 1. Now today I will explain on chapter number 2, that is year to year. Do you know all the animals have different shapes, ears? Some have big, some have small, some have on the head of top of their head on both sides. Do you know? And some have holes instead of their ears. They can hear through their holes. So here are some pictures. Before that we can recognize the pictures through their shapes and through their other activities. For example, if a mouse, if you can see a mouse, you can observe that a mouse ears are small but they have top on their head. So is it so? Mouse is a small animal than an elephant. Do you know which animal is the tallest? Yes, it is giraffe. And giraffe have ears on the top of their his both side on the head, like that. Cow, then donkey, deer, rabbit, dog, these all animals have ears on the top of their head. But an elephant has a ears like a fan. Is it? You can observe this. That animals in this picture, all animals ears are different and you have to match. But this is for your information. This type of ears have an elephant, and this kind of ears have this rat. Is it? And this kind of ears have, what is that? That is deer. And this kind of ears have donkey. So all the animals have different types of animals. Do you know some of animals have different colors and their size is different? For example, if you can see crow, its color is black, but a parrot has a green color and beak is red. Is it? Like that, all the birds and animals have different shapes, size and colors. We can recognize the animals through their color. Some dots are there on the animals for our recognition. So do you know that some animals have a less in our country? For example, tiger. What is the reason for that? The number of tiger is going down in India because of several causes. Some of them are, for example, people hunt them for their bones and skin. Second one is deforestation. Deforestation means destroy of a forest. Destruction of forest मतलब कि जंगल का नाश. That is the reason. Deforestation is the reason that forests are disappearing, which reduce their natural habitat. So forests are the habitat, मतलब habitat means shelter. So forest is the shelter for wild animals, means all kind of, mostly animals live in the forest, but some animals live in the pond, some animals live on the land, some can fly in the sky high, like that. Some animals have live on the tree, and birds are live in the nest. So, and some animals we can keep as a pet. Do you know the animals who we cannot see is have a hairs on their body and they have holes and on their body. But some animals which we can see are animals those have ears on their body. The animals who do not have ears but they have hole, like for example birds. In birds, parrot, crow, cuckoo, that this kind of birds have holes instead of the ears on their head, and these animals can give a birth to a baby through the eggs. But the animals who have ears and they have hair on their body can give a birth to a babies. For example, cow, buffalo, dog, donkey. These all kind of animals have hair on their body. Is it? Do you know what is the food for some animals? Dog. For example, dog eat meat, rice, bread, etc. Milk also. And parrot likes to eat gram and chili. What is the meaning of gram? Gram मतलब कि चना, सूखा चना या guava, है ना? Yes, is it? Do you know what is the time for sleeping of dog? Dog usually sleep in the day for about 5 to 6 hours. कितने घंटे सोता है? 5 से 6 घंटे डॉग सोता है. Is it? And parrot usually sleep in the night for about 8 to 10 hours. रात को पैरोट कितने घंटे सोता है? 8 से 10 घंटे. जबकि डॉग कितने घंटे सोता है? 5 से 6 घंटे. So this is the difference. All the animals are different from each other, है ना? Yes, is it? So those animals whose ears we can see have hair on their body. These animals give birth to the young ones, and those animals that do not have ears on the outside do not have hair on their body. These animals lay egg. मतलब कि जो एनिमल्स हम देख सकते हैं, जिसके कान हमको दिखते हैं, उनकी बॉडी पे हेयर होते हैं आउटसाइडर, और वो बच्चों को मतलब उनके यंग वंस को बॉर्न देते हैं. इज इट? उसी तरीके से कुछ एनिमल्स ऐसे हैं जिसको हम देखते हैं लेकिन उनके ईयर्स नहीं होते. दोज एनिमल्स दैट डू नॉट हैव ईयर्स, मतलब कि जिनके कान नहीं होते, बट इंस्टेड ऑफ ears they have holes on their both sides on the top of their head. They have hair on their body, and these animals lay eggs. So remember these things, and today's session is over here. Thank you and take care.